Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So I'd like us to start off analysis with a chart on my screen. This is US dollar Japanese yen. We are in a very good uptrend, as you can see. The price is heading upwards. So we have a very good resistance level here. If the price can remain below this level, then this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. But if the price ascends and closes above this line, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to pick a long-term buy position, expecting the bars to push us even higher. So expect a breakout, a retracement, and then a continuation to the upper side. If that happens, that is, if the price successfully goes above these two lines, then simply wait for a retracement before you can pick a buy position. The other chart is EURUSD. EURUSD, so far we have a very good supportive trend line. We have a very good supportive trend line. We also have a converging range formation inside that supportive trend line. So technically we are looking at this shape. We are also looking at the outer one. If the price moves down and touches this lower line, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price moves up and touches this upper line, then this should also give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we could wait for a buy here or wait for a sell somewhere here. The other chart is GBPUSD. This is upwards. You can see we have a very good uptrend. This is an ascending, like a channel formation that is ascending. We had resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a support, and we had a support here. So as it is right now, the price is moving upwards. We are basically watching for a sell from around this upper trend line to pick a sell position. If this trend line is broken, we will be expecting the bars to push us even higher. So just wait and see what happens. Should we see a breakout beyond this trend line, that would mean we are continuing upwards. But if the price bounces off from this point, then you are supposed to be looking for a sell position back towards this trend line here. So you may see a retracement, assuming where the price is now is the peak. Assuming where the price is now is the peak, that is, like, we assume that if the price touches this line, this will be like level 0. We will be expecting a retracement towards 23.6 or 38.2 or 50.0 or 61.8 or 100.0. So we either watch for a sell here back towards this level, or this level here, or this level, or this level here. The other chart is silver. On silver, we are inside a range. So we have a range. You can see we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a support. If the price moves up and touches this upper line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So just wait and see what happens. Should the price move down and touch this lower line, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price moves up and touches this upper line, then that should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So just wait and see what happens. Should we see a move towards this line, this is a sell place. Should you see a move towards this line, this is a buy place. The other chart is gold. Gold is upwards. So on gold, so far, we're basically watching for a retracement towards this line. We had a resistance, we had a resistance. there is a break above. If the price can retrace down and touch this lower line, which is 2592.35, 2508.9795, this one here, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell form. So the idea basically is to watch for a retracement up to that zone so that we pick a buy position. We do expect the buyers to push us back to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.